What's up everyone, Phil Moments here. In this video, I will show you how to pair your Galaxy Watch for you to sync your sleep data with Pokémon Sleep. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First thing to do is go to Play Store or App Store. Then search and install the Health Connect app. I already downloaded mine, so let's open it. Scroll down, then enable the Pokémon Sleep. Now once done, go back and then open the Pokémon Sleep app. What you'll need to do next is click this pair device and then select pair smartwatch. Then pair a device. Now since we're using a Galaxy Watch, select Samsung Health. And that's it, you've successfully paired your Galaxy Watch with the Pokémon Sleep app. You can now track your sleep through the watch and sync it with Pokémon Sleep. And that's it for this tutorial. For more video like this, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.